Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here today. Have you ever walked into your home, not to feel a sense of peace, but instead, a feeling of being overwhelmed? You're not alone. Many of us struggle with keeping our living spaces tidy and organized, and it can be a real source of stress. What if I told you that even the smallest changes can make a world of difference? Simple adjustments can have a huge impact on how you feel in your own home. Small, actionable steps can transform your home into that haven of peace you long for. Imagine coming home to a space that feels calm, welcoming, and truly yours. So join me today, as we explore simple yet clever home hacks that will spark joy in your everyday life. Together, we'll discover tips and tricks that are easy to implement and will make a big difference. Let's begin, shall we? Get ready to transform your home and your life with these amazing hacks. Let's start with a task that often feels overwhelming: cleaning the microwave. It's one of those chores that we tend to put off, but it doesn't have to be daunting. Take a microwave-safe bowl, fill it with 1 cup of water, making sure it's enough to create steam, then add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. The vinegar helps to cut through grease and grime, and a few slices of lemon. The lemon not only adds a fresh scent, but also has natural cleaning properties. Place the bowl in the microwave and heat it on high for about 5 minutes. This will create steam that loosens up all the gunk, allowing it to sit undisturbed for another 2 minutes. The steam will work its magic during this time. The steam will soften those stubborn food particles, making them easy to wipe away without any scrubbing. After the waiting period, simply take a cloth and wipe down the interior. You'll be amazed at how effortlessly the grime comes off. Just like that, your microwave will be sparkling clean, looking as good as new, and the fresh scent of lemon will spark joy every time you open the door. It's a simple trick that makes a big difference. Now let's talk about another kitchen hero that often poses a cleaning challenge: the blender. Fill your blender halfway with warm water and add a drop of dish soap. Secure the lid tightly and blend on high for about 30 seconds. Rinse it thoroughly with water, and it's ready for its next delicious task. Dust! It seems to reappear as quickly as we clean it, doesn't it? Dryer sheets are not just for laundry, they're a dusting dream. Gently glide the dryer sheet over your furniture, shelves, and even your electronics. And here's a bonus tip: try running a dryer sheet along your baseboards to prevent dust from accumulating in those hard-to-reach areas. Have you ever been so engrossed in your cooking that you forget about the pot of water simmering on the stove? Suddenly, you hear it. That telltale bubbling sound, followed by the dreaded overflow. The next time you're boiling water, place a wooden spoon across the top of the pot. The wooden spoon breaks the surface tension of the water, preventing a messy eruption on your stovetop. Just remember to use a long-handled spoon to avoid any accidental steam burns. Let's move on to the heart of the home, the kitchen. It's where we cook, eat, and gather with loved ones. But it can also be a place where clutter accumulates, especially in the freezer. And more specifically, the freezer. It's a crucial part of our kitchen, yet often overlooked. A well-organized freezer sparks so much joy, making meal prep easier and more efficient. But it can quickly become a chaotic jumble of frozen foods, making it hard to find what you need. Grab some binder clips and clip them to the rungs or shelves of your freezer racks. This simple addition can transform your freezer space. Slide your freezer bags through the handles of the binder clips, allowing you to hang them neatly. This creates a vertical storage system that saves space and keeps your freezer tidy. No more digging through piles of frozen food. This simple trick makes it easier to see everything at a glance, so you can quickly find what you need. You'll never lose track of those frozen treasures again, and your freezer will always be a joy to open. Our garbage disposals are unsung heroes, quietly working behind the scenes to keep our kitchens running smoothly. Cut a lemon into wedges and toss a few down your garbage disposal. For an extra cleaning boost, add a handful of ice cubes as well. Turn on the cold water and run your garbage disposal for a few seconds. Your kitchen will be filled with a wonderfully fresh lemon scent, and your garbage disposal will thank you for the spa treatment. Small spaces can often feel cluttered and cramped, but fear not, because vertical storage is here to maximize every inch. Simply install tension rods vertically inside your cabinets to create dividers. Now you can store your baking sheets, cutting boards, or even lids upright and organized. Small metal items like bobby pins, tweezers, nail clippers, they seem to disappear as quickly as they appear, don't they? Attach a magnetic strip to the inside of a bathroom drawer, on the side of a vanity cabinet, or even inside a medicine cabinet door. Now, simply stick your bobby pins, tweezers, nail clippers, and other small metal items to the strip. Our closets, those havens of our personal style, can sometimes feel more chaotic than calming. Simply slip a soda can tab over the hook of a hanger. Now, you can hang another hanger from the other hole of the tab, effectively doubling your hanging space. Laundry. It's a never-ending task, isn't it? But what if I told you there's a way to make laundry day less daunting and more joyful? Invest in multiple laundry baskets. One for whites, one for colors, and one for delicates. Label each basket clearly, so everyone in the household knows exactly where their clothes belong. This simple change eliminates the need for a marathon sorting session on laundry day, saving you time and effort. In today's technology-filled world, it's easy for cords and chargers to become a tangled mess. Simply wrap your cords neatly and slip them inside empty toilet paper rolls. Place the rolls upright in a box, a drawer, or even a basket. This simple hack brings a sense of order to your electronics and reduces visual clutter, creating a more peaceful environment. Let's elevate our cleaning to new heights, literally. Cleaning ceiling fan blades can be a daunting task, often sending dust bunnies flying everywhere. Grab a pillowcase and slip it over one of the fan blades. Hold the pillowcase firmly around the blade and gently slide it off, trapping the dust inside. This simple yet ingenious trick prevents dust from scattering all over the room, making the task much less messy and more enjoyable. In this chapter, we'll show you some quick and easy tips to organize your pantry. First, use clear containers to store your dry goods. This not only keeps everything fresh, but also makes it easy to see what you have at a glance. Next, label everything. Use a label maker or simple sticky notes to identify the contents of each container. Lastly, group similar items together. Keep snacks on one shelf, baking supplies on another, and canned goods in their own section. These tips will help you keep your pantry neat and tidy, making meal prep a breeze. Enjoy a more efficient and pleasant cooking experience. Discover some efficient grocery shopping hacks that will save you time and money. First, always make a shopping list before heading to the store. This ensures you only buy what you need, reducing waste and overspending. Next, stick to a budget by using cash or a prepaid card, which helps you avoid impulse buys. Additionally, shop the perimeter of the store where fresh produce, dairy, and meats are usually located, and avoid the inner aisles filled with processed foods. By following these simple tips, you'll make your grocery trips quicker, cheaper, and more efficient. And there you have it. 12 simple yet incredibly effective home hacks that will undoubtedly spark more joy in your everyday life. Remember, a tidy home is not about perfection. It's about creating a space that brings you peace, ease, and happiness. Thank you for joining me today. Now go forth and spark joy in every corner of your home. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy homemaking.